Hello, welcome to my screen. Today I just talk about Pathlab software. This is a web application software using the technology name of coordinators. This is a framework of PHP and database used to a MySQL, front end used to a HTML, CSS and JavaScript, Bootstrap versions 3.7. So jQuery and Ajax with the help of this programming language and technology to build these applications. Now we have to log in. So basically this is a dashboard to our applications. Now come to have to describe what is this. This is a Pathlab software, and in this applications with the help of to generate reports of a patients and send to a patient sites. So normally we have to right now we have to 7 reports generated. Now we have to click it and see this is a report generator to view. This is a view part and this is a barcode. If you scan through the Google Lens and another QR scanners, so easily to download the reports. And if you want to print, so you just click on it. It is very responsiveness. Now back. Also we have to report downloaded through Excel format, PDF and print. If you click the print PDF, so we have to easily to available this data. Similarly Excel and print also we have work. If you having a huge amount of data, you just filtering on it through the date, starting date and end date. Through this date we have to filtering the data and search it and download. Okay, in these sections we have to also search like a CBC. So we have to filtering of one data, so it just show it. Now without wasting time, now come to a master key. In this section it is a add test, means which specimen use, sorry, not a specimen, which investigation used to create test, means which types of test, CBC test, RBC test. So firstly you can select and then test name. What is a test name? Like RBC counts and other many more test name in a pathology term, so you can easily to enter it. And method, which type of method, through the urine, bloods, which types of method, and normal value we have to enter. In a further times when I just created a reports, test report, so we have to analysis what is the normal value and what is the current patient's value. So analysis term we have to clear out it, so that's why I just enter here. Now secondly we have to add a specimen, means which used to create a test like a blood, urine, hormones. In pathology terms we have too many more specimens, so easily to edit and delete also. Now similarly we have to go to investigation desired, means which types of test name, means which types of investigation desired, like a CBC, RBC and many more investigation desired name or like that. So in a pathology term we can add it and enter it. If you test a huge amount, like an investigation having a huge amount of, so easily to upload. If you predefined a Excel sheet having at least 300 400 tests, at least 50 tests, so it's so difficult to individually entry and compare it. So easily to create a Excel, already created Excel. So our team will be added it and uploaded in our server, uploaded in our databases. Now we have to come to a create test form. So this is a create a report for patients. Now collecting time will be a 1/6/2024 and report generated date is a 2/6/24, referred by AK Srivastav. AK SHRIVSTAVA Srivastava, gender male, patient's name Vis Viswash Kumar. Blood test is a blood, yes, blood test is a blood, and RBC test. So when I just choose the investigation desired options, so easily available the column. So in RBC test having a one column, so it can be show the one column. If I selected a CBC, in CBC we have to one column, so we have to see in that section it having a two test name, so that's why listing a two test, and in this test having the value generated, so easily we have to use it. So we collected already, data will be added on that. So directly we have to entering the value and submit them. When I just submitted, so you can see we have to resulted for a 3.0 but not having a normal value. So I just show for these types of resultant, many more times you can use it and not entering the units, so it will be not reflected, so that's why I just show it. So we have to show these types of mistakes, so if you use, so you have to careful toward that. Actually I already know that in this section we have to use the units, but I just show of you when you use this software, so in this section you can focusing about that, please uh, define a units. Okay, so now we have to unit generated, and simply unit copy in these sections and entry it, and simply submit. Now we have to share the reports and we have to easily to generate. So basically this is the applications. So basically this is the applications and easy to use. Thank you for watching. See you next time. And how to purchase the Pathlab report test. So easily to click on a descriptions link and visit this website. This is our blogs, and you can easily to show the screens also, step by step screens panel. This is a home screen dashboard, master key, add test, master specimen, investigation design, create test, patient test list, and report also. uh, then after, if you want to buy these projects and use to on your business, so simply just click on it and copy this test report and enter the name and email ID. And if you want which types of what we do in this project, suppose if you want this project and customize on your according on your business name and colors, so everything's you can write on it in this place. I want to customize this project, so please contact me, my mobile number is that and I'm interested to work. So and then submitted, my team my technical team will be connected you, and these projects will be provided a very low cost. Okay, if you want to add some features more, so some cost will be a vary, but it will be a comfortable on your budgets. Okay, so my mainly focus to provided a service on our Pathlab family. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you next time. If you want this project, so please connect in this step. If you follow this step, so I will provide this software. Okay, thank you.